There's Buckwheat. He's laying by his Amos, who won't stop eating. And how much the other two like Buckwheat. Hey, buddy. I know, you want to play with them and Amos won't stop eating. I know you heard me say your name. Hi, Amos. Buckwheat does not want the other two calves near Amos. As soon as they start walking over toward him, he starts barking. Buckwheat. It's okay, buddy. Buckwheat. Hey, bud. Come here. You protecting your buddy. Amos is okay. See? A lot. Yeah, he's fine. I know. See, he's good.